Hey guys, it's me Sohaib and I'm the founder of NextWise AI. We build customizable AI voice agent solutions for service-based businesses. And if you want me to work on your projects, then you can click on the link below to book an appointment with me. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get free $30 credits from your retail account. So first step is log into your retail account. After that, you will see a dashboard here. There's a thing that is appearing on the screen, which is how likely you recommend retail to others. Filling this, you can get $30 credits in your retail account. I'm gonna go with 10. It's asking me for G2 comment and then you will get $30 in credits. A few questions will appear here. Let us solve them one by one. About you, I'm choosing consultant. Click on next. Are you an employee agent? No, I'm not. I'm filling this information. You can use your own scenario. I'm giving it a 10. What problem is Retell AI solving? In my case, it's missed calls. You have to give only the positive reviews. I have filled this form. As you can see, I have $0 here. So after an hour, we just got $30 in our account. These are the free credits. So this is for the today's video. Thank you.